Abel guys, pero wala ako sa mood ngayon. Ano bang masabi nyo dito guys? Bakit itong Best Buy hindi na nila nilagay yung presyo? Yan. I'm just wondering kasi naiwan na kami ng anong technology. Tingnan nyo meron siyang barcode. Nakalagay level is off. Ito meron siyang camera. Paano ba to gawin guys? Comment down below ha. Kasi matagal na kami hindi nakapunta dito sa Best Buy. Paano natin malaman yung mga presyo dito? Ito din naman yung isa. Ano daw? QR code daw to. This one is the QR code. Ito lang PlayStation guys. Meron kasi kaming hinanap dito. Baba. That's for the fish, boy.
Maka-balance pa baka.
Go. Hala. Hala. Hello. Hello.
Abli ka, my love.
Nothing for you. Nothing. That's for the fish. See, look. That's fishy. That's fishy. Ay, hello. Hello. Uy, ayaw. Hello. Ngay ko na siya labo. Let's see what we're going to do here. Westfield Dining Terrace. Tayo ay kakain. Kakain ka, my loves. Welcome to Westfield Mall. Meron sis candy dyan. My Macy's, my K Jewelers. Go downstairs, my love. Kasi meron tayong tingnan dito sa Best Buy kasi hindi natin nabili kahapon yung gusto kong bilhin. Tingnan natin pag nandito ba yung gusto nating bilhin. Ooh, what a smell. Smell too good. Body Works, Bath and Body Works. Oh, tanata.
Mahal mo kayo dito ang kon?
Kailang ko ali, oh. Ah. Pink. Victoria's Secret. Lakad-lakad lang tayo guys kasi wala tayong pera. Another Best Buy. This Best Buy is located in Culver City. Tingnan natin kung nandito ba yung kailangan nating bilhin. Sa mga laptop here. Tingnan natin guys pag nandito ba yung hinahanap natin. Kasi gusto ko yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If they have it here. Pag hindi, i-order ko na lang siya online. Hopefully meron siya. Love, kanina lang siguro, no? Why should I buy if I don't need?
Someday mo expire.
18. When is the 18? Next year? Next year? Next week? 18 next.
12 naman ron.
Victoria's Secret. Gusto ko i-avail guys pero wala ako sa mood ngayon. Balik na lang tayo sa ibang araw. Anyway, this expired on the 18.
Blue man to.
This one's like our top seller.
Oh wait, this is the blue one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get this one and we get the other one.
Both?
Yeah, we wanna get 3.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can do the buy 3 get 3 free.
Yeah.
Do that? Mhm.
Okay.
Buy 3.
Buy 3 get 3 free.
And you can mix and match however you like it. So you want to do one of the fresh water ones, right?
Yeah, fresh water and the one that you
Nice.
spray the last one.
Okay.
And
And did you want it all to be men's body care?
yes.
Okay. So then there's also, I'll grab you that one. And then there's also this one called Mahogany Seafood.
I
This one's more like
think-
muskier, but you can smell it too. And it doesn't have to be just sprays. You can do shower gels and creams too.
Oh, I think the spray would be prepared.
Yeah, the spray is fine too.
Do you think?
Is that one too musky for you guys?
It's already messed up.
Yeah, I know. You have to like give it a second to clear it out.
Just get this one also, no?
Yeah, so one each.
Yeah.
And then the second.
Yeah, and the other
Or you
one.
want to do different? Just double?
Yeah, it's just double. Where's the other one?
I'll get
Okay.
it for you. It's against the
Oh,
wall
what?
this way.
It's 3 different kind.
Yeah.
So you kind of double.
I mean, it's 3.
different.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll
Just
get you
yeah.
the other ones.
Okay. Thank you. Bumili na lang ako ng food namin for work. Kasi si Mr. I may work bukas. Then ako kahit hindi na ako magdala ng extra baon. Ito yung baon ni Mr. guys. Mushroom and spicy chicken. And then, ito yung sa potluck natin for tomorrow. Transfer lang natin siya dito para presentable naman yung lalagyan. Kain tayo guys at ako ay nagutom. So pumunta pala kami kanina sa sa mall kasi may hinahanap ako na camera for vlogging. Wala doon guys. Sabi nila wala doon silang stock. Ang sabi ko sa kanila na kung pwede ba silang mag-order at saka i-ship na lang doon sa store for pick up. Then sabi naman ng babae, chinek niya, wala daw, hindi daw sila pwedeng mag-order. Then pick up daw sa store. So, kahapon, sabi ng lalaki na pwede daw siya mag-order pero i-ship daw dito sa bahay. So, yung ganun na item guys, mahal siya. Kaya, ayokong i-ship dito sa bahay. Mas gusto ko pa rin na i-ship dun sa store, then pick up dun kasi safe siya. So, yan. Hindi ako bumili kasi ayokong mawala sa mail. Kasi nakatira kami sa apartment. Then, mahal naman na item yun. Okay lang yun. Pag $20, $30, okay lang pag mawala. Pero, ano kasi guys, mga 700 kasi na item. Kaya takot akong mawala siya. So, but anyway, hindi ko naman siya kailangan ASAP. So, yun. Hindi na lang kami bumili ni Mr. Hintay na lang ako pag meron silang stock. Ganun talaga guys, kailangan i-save nyo yung mga item na ino-order nyo, especially pag nakatira kayo sa apartment. Wala namang magnanakaw, pero minsan kasi nakalagay na delivered, pero mapunta doon sa ibang unit. Okay lang pag yung naka-receive doon is napakaani siya, pero takot ako guys. Sana makabili ako ng item na yon before ako uwi ng Pilipinas. Dito naman si GoPro. So yung GoPro ko, okay naman siya. Kaya lang, lumang GoPro 8 at saka umiinit na yung battery niya.